From today, Year 5 and 6 children in primary schools in Denbighshire will be benefiting from a key Plaid Cymru pledge. They'll be getting universal free school meals. That means that every child in the new constituency in Bangor Aberconwy who are in primary school will be getting fed a nutritious and balanced meal at lunchtime without prejudice and without any stigma. It's a shocking indictment of our society that over these decade plus of Tory rule, inequality has become rampant and children and families are suffering. It's also shocking that Keir Starmer won't commit to lifting the two-child cap on benefits. Here in Wales, a third of children are living in poverty and something has to be done about it. Plaid Cymru have a vision for a fairer future, a society where every child gets the chance to live to its full potential. I'm so pleased that today every child in Bangor Aberconwy who are attending primary school will start to feel the benefits of that vision. This is what Plaid Cymru can do. We can build a better society. We can build a better future. We just have to have the hope, the vision and the determination to make it happen.